Hello guys, in this quick video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can remove the Sora watermarks from your videos. Let me show you the one example video. We want to remove this little Sora watermark from this video. So let's get started. First, you need to copy the link of the video, but make sure you already posted this video. It is not in your drafts. Then our website is watermarkremover.us. Once you open the website, from the header section, click on Sora Watermark Remover. Then you need to sign in with Google first. Then right after sign in, there's a section here where you can paste the link to your video. If you have more videos to remove the watermark, then you can add more URLs here, but I just want to remove this one. Then click on remove watermark. It doesn't even take 30 seconds. So here we go, it's ready. Let's watch.
Oh, I'm small, but
So yeah, this website is very trustable and video quality is also high. So you can use this website for any type of your watermark removing needs.